Hello. In this short video I will show you how much you can earn using 2captcha. 2captcha is a service where you can get money for solving captchas. Go to this website and create a new account here. I will leave a referral link in the description, please use it if you want to register. After that, confirm your email. Then go to the worker section. Click on Start Work. Then you need to pass the training before starting. It will take some time, like 5 to 10 minutes. It's pretty simple. Next you can start to work. You can work on this website. But if you want to make more money you have to download the desktop client. You can download it for Windows or Android device. Then just install this soft. It requests your client token. Go to the dashboard of 2captcha. You can get this key here. Copy and paste this to the client, and now you can get to work. For the experiment, I will work here for 1 hour. I wonder how much I can make in 1 hour. In this program you will get something like recaptchas. You can skip a captcha that you can't to solve, like this. You need to solve this captcha 15 times, that's impossible for 2 minutes, so you can skip this. After 1 hour you can see that I managed to earn 10 cents, it's very little money. But if I try to get this money I need to have at least 25 cents. Okay, let's do that. For the next hour I managed to make 15 cents. So, you can make here 10 to 15 cents for 1 hour. Then I try to get these money to my Bitcoin Cash account. As you can see, this money was transferred to me. It works. But you can't make big money here. For example, to get $100 you need to work 3 months, 10 hours a day. But I don't recommend spending so much time on it. It won't make you big money and it is very harmful to the eyes. In this video I talked about making money on Captcha. Many people know about this method. However, I was wondering how much money you can actually make here in 2021. Thank you for watching.